Black flip-flops, timeless, versatile, and underrated. When you think of summer, sun, beaches, and relaxed walks along the shoreline, one item of footwear almost always makes an appearance: flip-flops. Among the endless variety of colors and styles, black flip-flops stand out in their quiet simplicity. They don't scream for attention. Instead, they offer something better: adaptability, ease, and timeless style. Black flip-flops are a universal symbol of comfort. Whether you're heading to the beach, taking a quick stroll to the store, or simply lounging around the house, they offer a sense of casual freedom. No need to tie laces, match socks, or worry about the weather as long as it's dry. Just slip them on and go. Their biggest strength, versatility. Black goes with everything. Unlike bright or patterned versions, black flip-flops complement almost any outfit: shorts, jeans, dresses, even swimwear. This makes them an essential item in any summer wardrobe. They're the little black dress of footwear, simple, functional, and endlessly reliable. Let's talk materials. From foam soles to rubber, leather, or even eco-friendly options made from recycled materials, black flip-flops come in all forms. Some offer arch support, others focus on ultra-lightweight comfort. There are luxury versions with premium leather straps, and budget options perfect for the poolside. The color black adds a sleek, minimal aesthetic that gives even cheap models a touch of class. Despite their simplicity, flip-flops have a rich cultural and historical background. Versions of them have been worn for thousands of years, from ancient Egypt to Japan. The modern flip-flop, influenced by Japanese zori sandals, became popular in the West after World War II. Today, they're a staple around the globe, and black ones, in particular, are loved for their universal appeal. Of course, not all flip-flops are created equal. Some offer better durability, foot support, or grip